Hi guys, hope everyone's well. Today I want to talk about three big companies, big players, big companies that we're all familiar with, and I think they're at great points to buy. Um, Great discount. I think these three are at a discounted price. Um, the last one I'm going to talk about, the last company I'm going to talk about, has the biggest discount and is one of the giants as well. Um, and yeah, it's at a great discount. And if you're a long term investor or a swing trader, these would be great buys for you. So I'll be breaking them down for you. All right, let's populate. This first one we're looking at is Amazon. So we're going to open up Amazon. Let's just get it big. I've got it on the four populated charts. Let's get it big. Okay. So this is the 15 minutes chart, but I want to show you the daily chart. All right, so as we see, Amazon was at $200. It's now at $186. Took a big gap down somewhere in the beginning of August, it seems. Big gap down. It's grinded all the way back up. It's holding its position on top of the 20 EMA, and this is a great buy for Amazon. As we know, Amazon is such a great company. You know, it's not failing. Their model's great. Right now, this is a good price. It's not a great price, but it's a good price to buy, especially because we all know that Amazon is like the giant. One of the best, if not the best. Definitely one of the best companies. So this is a good price to buy. For an investor, a long-term investor, I would buy in. Even here, you could buy in here. Swing traders, this would be a good swing for swing traders as well, from the 189 to $200, back to $200. The 189 to $200, that would be a good swing trade. It's holding up quite well. Yeah, Amazon's a great buy. Let's just have a look at the 200 moving average just to see where that is, because that would tell us how strong, and it can let you know. All right, so that's the 50 EMA. We want to change that to 200. See, it's above the 50 EMA and the 20 EMA. The stock price is above the 50 and 20. That's a good sign showing that it's going up. We want to change this to 200 and see where that is. Oh, gosh. Okay, so the 200 simple moving average. This is underneath, right underneath. This is a good sign. So I tell you what, if Amazon breaks this 200 here and comes beneath it, that means the stock's going bearish. But we all know that's not going to happen. It's already come from underneath the 200 MA. It's come up, broke it, then it's actually respecting it. Look, bounced again. This should just go up now. Once it gets over that 200 all-time high, it's off to the moon. Amazon would do its thing, definitely. Definitely. Look, as we can see, big volume here where the institutions bought loads of shares. A lot of big volume of shares being bought. yesterday's day, really powerful. Yeah, Amazon's definitely a buy in my eyes. All right, we're going to move on to the next one now, which is Google. Computers first. Okay, so this is Google now. Again, great company. You know what Google's about. I'm going to open this up for us. Okay, so all-time high, we're on the daily chart. All-time high was 190. I'll get the exact number. All-time high was 191.70 pence. It's done this retracement, come all the way down to support here. So this is the support area here, because as you know, the resistance becomes the ceiling. So this is why it's bounced here. It's bounced here in September, 10th of September, it bounced here because this was resistance before this area, and the resistance then becomes the ceiling once broken. So it comes down, bounced off of the ceiling, the floor, sorry, support, and then yeah, this is a great buy. This is a great buy. Let me zoom in for you. Look, great swing trade as well. You get that over 169, over 169. You got room all the way to, just for a quick swing trade, 169. You got room to 163. That will take you a few days once it gets over to 169. Could be 1-2 days. This is definitely a long-term investment as well. Let me know, guys, if you lot have Google or Amazon in your portfolios, your investment portfolios, or if you're planning on swinging it, if you're planning on swing trading as well. Yeah, this is a great buy because look, the all-time high was 191 and change, and then it's done all the retracement. This would have been a great area to buy, but we can never time the market. Yeah, resistance here. This bit area here is resistance. Once it breaks that, we're off. Definitely. Yeah, Google's a great company. You know, just for a little insight, in 2020, their ad revenue was along the lines of 19 billion. They were bringing in just from the ad revenue. Now, 2024, it's 30 billion. So they're growing in their ad revenue. You know, everyone's getting on YouTube and more ads are getting released and stuff like that. So yeah, YouTube is doing real well. Google, sorry, they own YouTube, and the ad revenue is growing year by year. 2020, 19 billion. 4 years later, it's 30 billion. That's a big jump. So yeah, Google's a great buy as well, guys. And then last but not least, the big one I was telling you about, I think, which is the best buy at the moment, the most discounted. The most discounted stock right now. Okay, so Nike. All right, let me open this up for you. Okay, so we're on the daily chart. Nike, great buy. Look at that, great buy. $82, $83. Just turned to $83. all-time high was, oh, all-time high was 100 and, I would call that 170, $170, 177, sorry, guys. Wait, let me get the precise number. Yeah, along around 176 was the all-time high, and now we're at $82, $83. That's nearly $100 down, guys, from its all-time high. $100. That is a great, great, great discount for Nike. Great discount. And to be honest, it has been showing relative strength against the market. We can have a look at the market just to show you what I mean. Like, for example, like yesterday, the market was on a down day. That's what I was looking at. The market was on a down day yesterday. And yesterday, for Nike, the market was on a green day. Yeah, so that shows relative strength. Yeah. It's at a great buy at the moment. $100 down from its high. Great for an investor that wants to hold Nike for a long position. Oh, tongue twisted. Position. And yeah, once we get past 84.50, there's a swing trade available to 84.50. I wouldn't push it. Swing trade, I would go 88. 88 for a swing trade. But if you're a long-term investor, you can add here and buy a whole lot of shares, or how many shares you can for Nike there. And that would be a great buy. That would be a great buy. Sorry, I have a phone. I have a computer. What's going on? Yeah, so Nike as well, they've had an intern that started the company 32 years ago, and now he's CEO. Obviously, he's seen the ins and outs of the company and stuff like that. So this might be a great change for Nike as well. And let's see if this CEO can bring something new to the table and get Nike back up to its all-time highs at least. But definitely it's a great buy here at the moment. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope everyone's well. And yeah, just stay invested in the markets. It's not about time in the markets, it's about time in the markets.